In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message a supplier on Alibaba. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a product, reach the right manufacturer, and send a clear inquiry that gets you an accurate quote. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Alibaba. In the results, look for the official site at alibaba.com. It's important to choose the correct link so you're on the genuine platform with all the security and messaging features. Once you're on the homepage, click Sign In. Log into your account so you can contact suppliers without interruptions. If you're already signed in, you'll see your profile icon and can continue right away. On the homepage, use the search bar to enter specific keywords for what you're sourcing, or browse the featured categories. The more precise your keywords, the better your results. You can refine what you see by product names, materials, or model numbers to zero in on the exact item you need. When you find something that looks promising, click the product to open its details page. Take a moment to review the description, specifications, minimum order quantity, price range, available variations, and any listed certifications. Check photos and product parameters so you're aligned on materials, dimensions, and packaging. If you see trade assurance or verified badges, that's helpful context for trust and payment protection. Next, locate the manufacturer information on the page, usually the company name near the title or sidebar, and click it to open the supplier's profile. This lets you view their storefront, product range, years in business, and response rate, which helps you gauge credibility before you reach out. Now click Contact Supplier. This button appears on the product page and on the supplier profile, and it opens the path to send your inquiry directly. At this stage, you may be asked to add your address, then click Continue to Payment. Don't worry, this step isn't charging you. It simply captures your shipping destination so the supplier can estimate freight costs and prepare a more accurate quote. Enter a complete and correct business address to avoid delays. On the next page, a message box will be available. Write a clear, polite inquiry that includes the product name or link, the quantity you're targeting, key specifications like size, material, color, and any customization or packaging needs. You can note your destination port, preferred shipping method, timeline, and request pricing with shipping included, lead time, and sample availability. The goal is to give enough detail for a precise quote. When you're satisfied, click Send Inquiry Now. That's it. You've successfully messaged a supplier on Alibaba. Keep an eye on your messages for replies, communicate clearly, and stay on platform for security as you discuss details and negotiate.